Welcome back to MSK. Today we are creating one 3D model. So look at this sketch. This one 2D sketch, here 3D. Okay. Start part. Okay. Now right plane. Click sketch. Center line. Take line first. This one horizontal. Here see, we take back and again move. Now it's converted into arc. Okay, now one more horizontal, here vertical. Here see, this one is straight line, and I go back and take again. Now it's converted into arc. Okay, now close this sketch. Let's define smart dimension. The distance is 108 and this radius 20 mm. Just click it. Okay, now just click this point to this point horizontal and smart dimension. This radius 16 and we need to draw two circles, here one and here one. Smart dimension, this one also define. This circle is 25 diameter and this one is 16 mm diameter. Just click this point, origin point to this point, make coincide. Okay, now move over sketch. The smart dimension take again and here to here. This point to this point, 16 mm. Now see, our sketch is fully defined. So go to feature, extruded pose base, and here select mid plane. The total distance is 80 mm. Okay, now select this face, sketch normal, take the line, start from here. Okay, now see, straight line, I go back and see the arc. Okay, now again go back, this arc, and again go back. I need 3 arcs. Okay, okay, now center line, because after we mirror this diagram to here. Okay, now smart dimension, here to here the distance is 8 mm. This sketch is need to close. Okay, then smart dimension this distance to this also 8. Okay, here we need to draw one circle. The circle diameter is 8 mm and distance from circle center line to here 16 mm. 16 mm. So this arc is 8 mm and this one also 8 mm. This one also 8 mm. Okay, so something is missing because our sketch is not fully defined. So need to check here to here distance 16 mm. Now see, our sketch is fully defined. Now mirror entity, enter the mirror. So select this whole sketch, this two lines not selected, select manually and mirror about this center line. See here, our sketch is mirror. Go to feature, extruded cut. Extruded cut up to 39 mm downside. Okay, now need to remove this area. So we select this face, sketch normal. So take corner rectangle, uh, this corner to this corner. Okay, sketch is automatically fully defined. And go to feature, extruded cut, through all. Okay, see, our sketch is almost completed. Need to draw this one. So select this face, sketch normal, draw one circle. Okay, and one more circle. Okay, take line here to here, randomly click it, take smart dimension and distance between here to here 10.61. 10.61. Okay, and this point, oh sorry, this circle and this circle make tangent. Okay, and this circle not fully defined. And take smart dimension, this circle is randomly defined 25 mm. Okay, now this totally two circles are defined. And smart dimension, no need, click this point and this line make coincide. Okay, and make it one circle and close the sketch. Now take trim entities, just remove this half circle. Okay, now go to feature, extruded boss base, just blind opposite reverse direction up to 16 mm. see here extruded. Now just mirror this part here to here. So go to mirror, mirror face, go to, we need face right plane, feature this one. Okay, now is pending is chamfer and this area. So first we draw here, select this face, sketch normal, take the corner rectangle. Okay, draw one rectangle. First we make one center line. It is easy to define. And let's define this one 16 and make it one 3-point arc. Let's define 16 mm. This point click here, click, make coincide. Okay, now just delete this line. Here need to draw one circle, this one 8 mm. Go to feature, extruded boss base up to 8 mm, extrude outside. Okay, and the next step is fillet. We need here one fillet, the radius 8 mm, and just delete it here, 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 not here. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay,